nigga, and the way that I package, they make her the no, they make her the Maya. Oh, and she feeling the nigga, and the way that I do this, they make her the no, they make her the Maya. They make her the shikam, one up on the shikam, let myself the shikam, ah shikam, let myself the shikam, everybody with the shikam, oh, she wants to knock out. I'm a big one, and I am big one. Together, big ones. Everything on demand. So I met her in Guagualada. Never seen a baby like that. Approach her, I gave her my word. Suddenly we started loving like that. I take her to Lagos. She stayed for my mansion. She want the cocoa, she showed me the logo. We started in loving. Then I take her to London, China to Hong Kong. I give her the cocoa, she showed me the logo. We started in London. So she feeling the nigga, and the way that I package, they make her the no, they make her the Maya. Oh, and she feeling the nigga, and the way that I do this, make her the no, they make her the Maya. They make her the shikam, one up on the shikam, let myself the shikam, ah shikam, let myself the shikam, everybody with the shikam, oh, yeah, what's that girl? When she roll, I'm 666. She said me and I'm now 5 and 6. Say she know the year, all it is they talk us now rubbish. Dagbadantis, shop right no be Leventis, but a backside now Bugatti. The way she roll, I'm a like I take her to Lagos. She stay from my mansion. She want the cocoa, she show me the robo. We started in loving. Then I take her to London, China to Hong Kong. I give her the cocoa, she show me the robo. We started in London. So she feeling the nigga, and the way that I package, they make her the no, they make her the Maya. Oh, and she feeling the nigga, and the way that I do this, they make her the no, they make her the Maya. They make her the shikam, one up on the shikam, let myself the shikam, ah shikam, let myself the shikam, everybody with the shikam, oh, she wants to knock out. Oh, yeah, sweetie, lady, I like the way they ready, mommy, daddy, about me some kuma, me, oh yeah, lady, oh yeah, baby, oh yeah, mommy, oh yeah, daddy, oh yeah, uncle, auntie, about me some kuma, dog, me. So she feeling the nigga, and the way that I package, they make her the no, they make her the Maya. Oh, and she feeling the nigga, and the way that I do this, they make her the no, they make her the Maya. They make her the shikam, one up on the shikam, let myself the shikam, ah shikam, let myself the shikam, everybody with the shikam, oh, she wants to knock out. Make her the shikam, one up on the shikam, let myself the shikam, ah shikam, let myself the shikam, everybody with the shikam, oh, she wants to knock out.
All right. We welcome everybody back to the late night show on top of Wazobia TV. You know as the B. Juliet rhyme. Izybeatz. Who say jealousy no kill you?
No, at least
forget it. They talk no, that's not how they form pride in
see her again. I go see take you maybe another 5 years.
You go, what you talk? Say they go do anything. You, if you know my progress, make I tell you something. I will make a progress in this world. Now you be looking at me and everything.
Now handshake she go give you
after 5
years.
Forget it. They there. We they do our kissing role very soon. But not be lying. You know how they imagine things that year. Oh,
you say I know.
Yeah. Just when I say yes, I know. Like say hey, she get them every time. But a very very wonderful spirit. She get that thing. All right, we can't get another of my very crazy friends in the building. So call these comedians them, they're all right. And this particular one, in they do the own things onto language P. Like we do last week, we carry some other crazy boys that come, Bonkers and Sly. One do India, the other one do Akwa Ibom. Today, we got another comedian in the building. We will follow us, come do some kind of things onto the Chinese level. Ladies and gentlemen, make you help me welcome Chiyoung. Chiyoung, what it do? Hey, voila. I say, what do you do? That at the end, what do you do? Say this one now, swag. I've been say you don't talk to deaf and dumb. What of the above? Which talk now? You not go say something. You they give me a hand. They do like this. They say that baby where you be. Okay, so hey, greet our people first. At least before we start the whole thing, just say hello to everybody for outside there. Make them they hear you.
好，都是呀，邊個送啦？功夫老師呀，東國導師呀，正宗是呢個，我東講先噶，功夫老師的，上數啦嗰種多啦，上多啦，咪家先當個是呀，一上是咪家數啦。
See with the solar when they follow the thing. Because solar they side and they hear the laugh when they do they follow the whole. See that the whole remixing of the things with that.
Yes, everything showing.
Everything
Is showing.
Okay. But we'll come up for that Chinese pin now because I would like people know you, make them get to know who you be before continue for the every. So what's the Chinese man name? That Chinese guy, what's his name? Chiyoung. That be Chiyoung.
Yeah.
Okay. Who come with the real you now? Like me now, this is Ogbolor, but actual name Michael. You understand? Is that I think called the name Michael or something now? So your own now waiting.
My name is Soji.
Soji.
Yeah.
All right. So Soji, Soji now from
Oyo State.
Oyo State. Where this craze of Shola come inside?
My brother.
You say you watch plenty of those Jackie Chan film that year.
I don't watch.
So how you take it?
I just not God.
Hey, everybody they call God now.
See
Even
it.
the guy with the smoking go now. Say, guy, how I did this? So, oh, nah, God, oh.
My brother, my brother, not just like God. I don't watch Chinese films.
Okay.
I don't watch Chinese film. Everything just come.
It just come like that for your head.
Yeah, it just come.
Because most time I don't see you for several different shows. They do this thing, and they always steer. You and the people they do interpretation for you. You always steer onto the whole thing. And very soon you go start one thing for this show. And but until that time, I'm not going to reveal anything. Okay, I'm not going to reveal anything at all. But Chinese and every. You get anything where you want to talk to them, where I go, they make I try do interpreting for you. I be how go to be because you get the gist. So I don't first drop just now about this particular woman now where they find her husband, where they find person where touch light time, where she don't carry belly for now. You get anything to talk about that particular thing from a Chinese man perspective?
Tinga.
Huh.
Tinga.
Huh.
Tinga 好事呀，下小小好事下事呀，
Oh.
思想多是下说实话。
Hi.
米卡思想，米卡，说啦，送个，送个，送个，上东个，米卡是要多啦，累，够多啦，上多啦，金公送公个啥，少一呀。
Una dey hear sha? Any which way una hear? All the thing wey you just talk now, na say that woman no get sense. Na be other thing wey you just talk now. But concerning that particular case now, Nikano now wan comot tattoo for him back now wey don first write of Mariah Carey for back. How you take see that particular case too?
过去呀，米卡是说是啦，东国啦，过去呀，新疆是就是要啦。 先讲米家是呀，就先讲米呀，我下呀，是小我啦，过去的米个啦，你就手啦过去，你告诉，我国家送到啦，真的。
Okay. So, okay. Make you use your own mouth take do your interpretation now. Say, you say make he use rake, they comot the tattoo. And make he use broom, they comot the tattoo. I don't know what you talk. I make it like that for grab, make tractor, climb the back, comot everything. Waiting be the actual interpretation of your own gist on top that matter. As your real self now.
My brother, I just dey tell her say why you wan comot am.
Now the other thing wey you talk.
Hey.
When the cry come enter.
I say why you wan comot am? Eating dey pay me. That's why I dey cry.
But seriously, for now, for the next few 1-2 minutes, I would like to ask you as a comedian how this particular genre or this particular style of comedy, how don't take work for you? When they go MC some events, say they speak this thing for them, they take they do all this particular kind of events things then.
No, actually.
This I talk before. Say one actually don't enter gist. Plenty time they follow.
Actually, I don't work alone.
Okay.
No, I go with some guys.
Some guys that just follow you do interpretation.
Interpretation.
Okay.
Like
okay.
that my guy go do the MC stuff.
Okay.
And the guy will just bring me in.
You go just enter. Say Chinese people never meet you before. Say, Oga, come. Jẹ́ kó rí ẹ pé o.
I don't
You dey
go-
spoil our language for it.
I don't go. The first time where I see Chinese man for one event like that for Air TV, they do one program for them.
Okay.
Chinese man, now he be the.
And they sit down for front.
Now they sit down, all of them, they be
Okay.
Chinese man. Like, that my friend, when they interview him, say, today, he go die today. Shebi, you don't see them. And first time, I come dey shake, say, nah, true.
Make you no go spoil things.
I feel go tell us, they say, all of us, now there, so say, na go bomb. We say, we go bomb, baby.
Because that's true. People go tell them one thing and you say, you dey curse all of them, mama. Say all of them, mama, dey crazy. You no go know, you
And-
no go speak that kind of thing.
As the guy talk, I say, call me up. I say, call me up like this. He say, oh yeah, talk. As I land one like, wow, all of them start to dey laugh. All the Chinese men laugh. I do, now then laugh pass. Now then laugh pass, like, all the chairs scatter.
So they don't even begin you at all.
They
say-
know they like, I can't go meet one. You go to say, him like, what they do, say,
Yes,
him like, say, he never see Nigerian, they even they try to.
They attempt to speak the language, but you don't even get some kind. But you don't. You learn any language at all. You learn any word, one word at all for inside Chinese.
Yes.
So some of this way they talk now are correct thing.
Everything what they talk now, everything what they talk now correct. But I don't just
You never done
place
well.
and where.
You never
No,
hear.
I don't just place and where. Have you thought say wait till they worry you?
But you go talk am like waiting, worry dey you.
No.
Eh.
Have you thought say how are you? You know say how are you? Now fine the guy go talk.
Okay.
I think just place and go another place. But everything what they talk.
He's correct for
He
Chinese.
correct
but
for
you just dey
Chinese.
misplace the whole
Yes,
thing.
yes.
So if you see person, next time make you say how are you, but you go tell
Go
person say they go house.
They go out say,
Okay. All right. Chiyoung in the building. Chiyoung will run many packages together. And of course, Chiyoung still there with me for this show, this late night show. Forget, we go do things. All right. So make una no go anywhere. We'll still continue on top of the show. But before we come out, Chiyoung, you carry us go on break now. You don't look that camera. You carry us go on break with a Chinese thing on the late night show. All right. So carry us go this break now.
信众啊，生动我搞是要，生动我搞是要动搞是呀，动工动是呀呀，生动是没有个性叫个，性叫啥个？米家是要是种搞是呀，米个啦，熊狗个种搞米家，毛，熊动个呀，是啦，过下呀，功夫老是呀，送东改，少哩。
Late night show.